Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I got my May Birchbox in May. Let's check and see what I got. If you are not familiar with Birchbox, it is a monthly subscription. It ranges from $17 to $20 a month depending on if you go month to month or multiple months paid ahead at a time. It will include 4 to 6 items, which are going to be anywhere from samples to trial sizes, deluxe sample sizes, and some full size. It is customizable, it is free shipping, and surprisingly, I actually got the May box in May. I subscribed to Birchbox, I think, with their first box of this newest launch. Every single month, I get the previous month and the next month. So I already got one actually a couple of weeks ago that was the April box, and I got it in May. And surprise, surprise, I got the May box in May too. So we're going to check and see what we got in the May box. So something tells me Birchbox is kind of getting in the groove of their new launch, getting the subscriptions out on a timely fashion, and giving full-size options as well. So let's see if this one is our $20 worth or not. Inside, we have a little pamphlet, we have squigglies, and we have our products. The pamphlet traditionally is not really helpful for the products that are inside of it. It's just more informational. I'm going to see if this one is any different. It may, I'm not sure if any of these products are going to be in our box or not. We will see. But it does have some interesting information on beauty trends and things, so you can check that out and see what you think of it. Our first item is the Bare Minerals Ageless, and this is a retinol night concentrate cream. And this is a 1/4 ounce, 0.27 ounce sample size. Bare Minerals was a good one. For a 1/4 ounce, I don't know how many uses you'll get, but there is enough in there to get a good idea if you like that one or not. Our second product is from Aromatherapy, and this is a Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. And the lid was loose, and you can see some of the product is missing, and it's oily on the outside. So I'm trying to see. It does look like a little bit leaked out in the box. Maybe not too much was missing, but this is just an after shower bath oil to help moisturize your skin. And again, part of it looks like it is definitely missing. This would have been a 1/3 of an ounce if it was full. So it's not a whole lot missing, but there is some of that missing in there. But still a lot in there. You might get a few uses out of that. Our next product is from Lock, and this is a cream eyeshadow stick. And I'm pretty sure I've had this exact one before. I do like them. I like a cream eyeshadow stick from time to time. Oh, this is more of a, this is not a stick, this is a cream wand. So you would put this on and smooth it around. So I might have had this color, but I haven't had this formula. This is in the shade Aurora. So nice one. And there's enough in there to get a lot of good uses out for an eyeshadow. That's a good size sample. So that's not bad for that one. Our fourth sample is from Air Repair, and this is a complexion boosting moisturizer. So a little teeny bit in there. This is a 0.24 fluid ounces. So 0.24 fluid ounces size. Not a lot in there, but a little bit. Probably enough for a couple of uses. Now, I will talk, these sizes I've said in other videos are perfect for travel. I don't like to take my full-size products. First, if I put them in my baggage, I run the risk of them getting broken and spilling everywhere. I can't take them in my carry-on because there's too much product. I also don't want to have anything happen to my full-size products on the trip. So I will take the little sample sizes on my trip and just take a little bag. It doesn't take a lot of weight or a lot of space. You're not going to get them confiscated by security. And so these are great little ones for travel. Okay, you guys, the last product in here is my very favorite item that Birchbox has ever made. They actually do produce this item. At least they used to. I guess they still do. This is a Beauty Protect. And this is for, it's a protect and detangle. I love this because it gives my hair, it detangles for starters. It gives my hair a great texture. It's a heat protector as well. And if it still smells the same, it smells like vanilla. It's like a hair perfume. It smells amazing, but that's not why I love it. I love it because of the way it makes my hair look. So I will use it soon and point out that I have it in my hair, and you guys can see if it makes a difference. Right now, though, I did use the, it was a voluminous cream from Sutra from the Ipsy Glam bag. So I like it. It actually did give me a good volume. So I like that. and I'm gonna really look forward to using this. This was our Birchbox for May, and we did get 5 good size sample products. Unfortunately, this one did come a little bit open and we lost a little bit. I did pick my products, so I did not want to get any pouches or single-use items, so I made sure to get items that were good size samples. I also intentionally did not pick a full-size product because I did want to get more items in my bag, and there also weren't any full-size products I really was in love with this time around. So May bag for Birchbox, I really like it. If you guys get an opportunity to try this, I think you'll like it. It is great. And this one, even though this is only, I think this is probably a 1 ounce. I don't see the size on it, but just from looking at it, it looks like a 1 ounce size. And this will last me 3 or 4 uses. I use every last drop of these when I have them. So I love these. Birchbox, $20. I feel like they're getting a little better, especially for the fact that we got the May box in May. So 2 Birchboxes videos this month. We'll see what happens in June, if I get my June box in June, or if I don't get it till July. We may have a big gap. We'll find out. I haven't had my customizations for it yet, so we'll see how that goes. But thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And for now, have a great, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.